Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make macaroni chicken salad with mayonnaise. Start by cooking 2 cups of macaroni and cooling it completely. Mix in 2 cups shredded chicken, 1 cup mayonnaise, and 1 tablespoon vinegar. Stir gently to coat, then add diced celery and onion for crunch. Taste and adjust salt, pepper, or a pinch of sugar if needed. Chill at least 30 minutes before serving for best flavor. When combining the salad, fold ingredients rather than stirring aggressively to keep the macaroni intact and the chicken tender. If the mixture seems dry, add reserved mayonnaise or a splash of lemon juice to loosen it. Fresh herbs like parsley or dill should be added at the end to preserve aroma. Chill the salad briefly so flavors meld, then give a gentle toss before serving to redistribute dressing evenly and maintain a pleasant texture. Try variations to suit your mood. Add diced apple or grapes for sweetness, or swap some mayonnaise for Greek yogurt for tang and fewer calories. You can fold in chopped pickles, hard-boiled egg, or a dash of mustard for extra depth. Serve the salad over crisp greens, spoon it into a sandwich, or pair with crackers for a picnic. Taste as you go so the salad matches your preferred balance of creaminess and tang.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.